So over here in Lightroom, you can see on the right hand side, I got different panels right here. This is under the develop module that I have right here. If I were to go ahead and expand out the details, let's say for example, then it expands out the detail and I can use the slider to change around the level of detail right here. Similarly, I can go ahead right here under color grading, let's say for example right here, and I can go ahead and expand that one out as well. So let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that it expands out as well. So now once it expands out, what happens is that you can see that the details is expanded right here and the color grading is expanded as well. So as I were to actually go ahead and let's say for example, I got different panels right here, I can expand all of them one by one, and what happens is that all of them may be really cluttered right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You got the basics as well, then you got the color grading, you got the details and so forth. You can see that all of them are actually expanded right here, just like this. So now let's say what I want to do is I want only one of them to be expanded at once. In that case, I can simply right click on any one of the title right here and then choose solo mode right here. So once you do that, only the panel that you select will be expanded. Let's say for example, if I were to open up the details, now you can see that the basic collapses. I can go to transform and then the transform opens up the collapses and it becomes faster right here, as you can see right here, to just actually go ahead and then open, and then everything won't be cluttered. So that is how you can utilize the solo mode as you want inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.